Thanks for logging on to ABC15.com. I'm meteorologist Iris Hermosillo. We've got another day of breezes. Cooler air, though, is heading our way, too, as we track several disturbances that are going to be tracking into or by our state. We've got one area of low pressure out to our west. It's going to move in today into tomorrow. As that area of low pressure moves in, we've got breezes to talk about again today, but not much in terms of moisture or rain chances. Now, then we'll have another storm system that'll bypass us just to the northeast, but that's going to send a cold front across our state, bringing some drier air, but also some more breezes. Now, as far as rain chances go, slight chance of showers in northwest Arizona today into tomorrow. Then over the next few days, it'll be northern Arizona where we see a chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms. Here in the valley through all of this, looking at dry conditions. But again, the winds will be the big story over the next few days. That should not say gusts of 48 miles an hour. That should say gusts of 25 miles an hour. Not that strong here in the valley, but northeast Arizona and southeast Arizona will get some stronger breezes. A wind advisory posted for that northeastern pocket of our state. And we've got red flag alerts across eastern Arizona as those winds will be very strong in those areas. And with the fairly dry conditions, we will see a heightened fire threat. So that's something to keep in mind. Here in the valley, gusts at times peaking near 25 miles an hour as highs make it into the mid-80s valley-wide, putting us well below that 30-year average. So another day that's going to be cooler, certainly cooler than it was all weekend. And notice that temperatures will drop even further as we go into our Tuesday. Highs only make it into the upper 70s for Tuesday, mid-80s Wednesday, but then we start to warm back up, and those 90s, even upper 90s, look to make a comeback by the weekend.